Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. We take what we need and the devil with the rest. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. We're mean and we're ugly and we're not too nice. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. We burn and we pillage and we don't think twice. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum.
What's the matter? Oh, you drunken fool! Can't handle this drink. You better get to a toilet.
Sail the seas, flying skeleton flags. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. We're scary and we're hairy and our clothes are rags. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. We search the seas for silver and gold. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. We don't have a bedtime 'cause we're too dark known. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum.
Do you want him to let that detonator off? Oh dear, well I think we're all going to have to count. Okay, so on the count of 3, you're going to let that detonator off. So everybody, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you better run for it, he's not happy. He's over there, look. He's hiding. Over there. Oh, what silly, silly pirates. Oh dear, what are you both up to now? What is this nonsense? No! Oh, you fool! What's he doing? He's dropped the treasure into the bottom of the lagoon! Oh, what an idiot! Well, you need to get that treasure back and you need to get it back quick. Get to it! Oh, rubbish! No praise to you! Did that hurt? Good. What foolish pirate! Woo! Oh, what nonsense! Oh, come on, give me my treasure, you fools! Oh, come on, find the treasure! Okay, good. Well, you have your fun, but you'll see the soles of my shoes, you scoundrels. You're good at laughing, but you haven't got any of my treasure back, have you? Now listen. I'll let you live, but I want my treasure back. You understand? Yeah, I can't hear you. You need to say yes, Captain. Now, if we want this treasure back, we need a plan and we need discipline. Now, sailors, make teams of 2. Hop to it, go fast. Yes, who?